Well, good evening. It's Megan, and I am going to take a few minutes just to describe how I did my PowerPoint that is based off my theme that I've chosen this past semester, which is still animal management. So I'm going to go ahead and allow us to see that I've kind of made it exciting for the students, kind of instead of just clicking through a PowerPoint, I put some animation to kind of give it some look and style. So as you can see, I already put some objectives so the student kind of knows what's going to be brought up during the lecture, but then I also kind of condensed it of what I kind of wanted them to do and kind of some activities that we were going to do within the material that they are going to learn. As you can see, I make it kind of fun and entertaining. Then here on this slide, as you can see, I actually put some information on the right-hand side, but then on the middle screen, you can see I added a video. This allows, instead of me just teaching it, they kind of get to see it is important within this industry. And as you can see, it's about biosecurity, so that's kind of neat in its own way as well. So then here you can tell that I put on some different graphs and then inserted some different pictures so they can see how biosecurity is so vital for large-scale operations of just how the virus or disease can travel throughout the facility, transportation, and then through the air also. And then as you can see, I have another video over here and another picture just to make it more entertaining for the student, because I know when I was a student in high school, it was not always something that would catch my attention as listening to a lecture from my professor or instructor for that class. So to make it more entertaining, adding videos or pictures is helpful to the eye as well. And then you can see at each point I add an activity that I want the students to do with a partner as well. And then you can see I have a video up here, some pictures to kind of give them a kind of a viewpoint of how operations look like or ran, because a lot of you have to put in perspective. Some kids may know and understand concepts because they have experience, but then also you're going to have kids in class that have no idea at all. So you kind of need a variety of options on your PowerPoint or whatever method you're going to use for lecture. Oh, and then as you can see, I have two different videos for proper ways to handle, because you have production side and then the show stock side, so like more of your 4-H FFA activities. So you can see I describe them that way. And then animal care methods of taking care of livestock. As you can see, that's the end of that, of how I present my PowerPoint. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Thank you.